Hello everyone. I'm not going to be too long. Thank you very much. I'm Henry Tan from TacSense. TacSense is a company working on the most sensitive touch interface and providing a unique interface to interact. So we have already established the office in California and Shenzhen, China for production. And we have 4 issued patent on this new technology which can provide a very sensitive and human interface for interaction. Nowadays, you probably hear the most frequently buzzword is artificial intelligence from the virtual world and from the technology world. What is the AI? Basically, is extending human sensation into a machine domain. And the two has been kind of industrial stuff, and it has been applied everywhere. One is machine vision, and the other one is the audio intelligence, which turns into all the smart speaker and other things. The next thing in the physical domain, we have 3 physical sensation. One is vision, one is audio, and the other one is tactile. So the TacSense is actually working on the interface between the human tactile sensation and any object. So we are actually providing any conventional and new surfaces with the tactile sensation. How this happened? We actually made the world first ionotronic sensation, which requires the device has both ionic surface, it's like our skin, and the other side is the electronic surface. This actually yield very interesting possibilities for human to interact in any hot and curved and soft surface. It provides an ultra-sensitive response, very fast response, and also it can be applied to any material and still yield a highly linear response. The very interesting point of this material is that it only requires about 1 nanometer thick material to be applied to the surface to interact. So we also we are already have 3 products in the production line. One is actually called MicroSense. Actually, can be completely transparent interface for people to use. Another one is we call the TacSense. It's actually based on the polyimide substrate. Actually, can be very integrated with FPC and other circuit, and also tolerate with high temperature. Last one, we can actually integrate it with also tactile material, with a different conventional surface. You can have the tactile and touch sensation. This is just to show how linear our sensor responses on different surfaces. And if you look down the technology difference between the technology today, resistive, capacitive, piezoelectric. One thing you probably will notice is that the noise level is the lowest. So we actually have at least 1 order of magnitude higher signal-to-noise ratio than anything else. And as I said, the technology only relies on 1 nanometer thick layer to interact with the surface. Actually, it's much cheaper in the manufacturing cost. We extended our technology to 3 directions. One is the Internet of Things. Basically, we can turn anything with artificial intelligence or for tactile intelligence. And we also can apply the surface to all the wearables, have them be able to touch and feel anything on your skin. For example, we can actually generate pulsations and other pressure or breath signal from the people's body. And then finally, we're also able the medical devices or the medical instruments. Patients have a tactile sensation, which give you the doctors and the surgeon feedback on the force they are touching with the patient. Here's a video that works. Well, we recently released our first shoes which can actually touch the pulse and measure your heart rate and breath rate and blood pressure from the foot with a socks on. So that's very good. I guess I have a few seconds. Well, it's overtime, sorry. Anyway, if you have questions and you want to see our video, and you can come to me later. Thank you.
Questions for Dr. Pan? Real quick? All right, thank you so much. All right, last but not least, this is our last startup finishing strong here with Andy from